Have you ever wondered about the best way to manage your money for a secure future? That's what we're here to explore. Financial planning is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you decide what to do with the money you earn, whether to save it or invest it. Saving involves putting money aside for a rainy day. It's like storing your money in a safe place where you can easily access it when needed. On the other hand, investing is about making your money work for you. It's like planting seeds that can grow into something bigger over time. Understanding the distinctions between saving and investing is crucial for your financial well-being. So, let's dive in and learn more about these two important ways to manage your money wisely. 1. Understanding savings. Savings are like your money's safety net. When you save, you set aside a portion of your earnings for future needs or unexpected events. It's like collecting coins in a piggy bank. Savings come in various forms, such as putting money in a bank account, like a savings account or a fixed deposit. These places keep your money safe and may even give you a little extra money over time, called interest. The purpose of saving is to have money available when you need it urgently, like for emergencies or big purchases. It's a smart habit that provides a sense of security. However, while saving is safe and easily accessible, the money might not grow much. This is because the interest rates on savings accounts are usually low and might not keep up with the rising cost of things, known as inflation. Different types of savings accounts offer different benefits. Regular savings accounts are easy to use, while high-yield savings accounts might give you a bit more interest. Certificates of deposit, CDs, might offer higher interest rates, but you can't touch the money for a specific period. Understanding savings helps you prepare for unexpected events and short-term goals. It's an essential part of managing your money wisely, providing a safety cushion for the future. 2. Exploring investing. Investing means using your money to buy things that you hope will grow in value over time. It's like planting seeds in a garden, expecting them to grow into healthy plants. When you invest, you're putting your money into things like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. The purpose of investing is to make your money grow more than it would if you kept it in a regular savings account. Unlike savings, where your money stays about the same, investing offers a chance for your money to increase. For instance, when you buy stocks, you're buying a small piece of a company. If that company does well, the value of your stock might increase. Investing can be a bit risky because the value of what you invest in can go up and down. Some investments might bring higher returns, while others might not do so well. But over a longer time, investing can potentially help your money grow more than just keeping it in a savings account. Understanding different types of investments can help you choose what's best for your financial goals and plans for the future. 3. Key differences between saving and investing. Saving and investing are different ways to handle your money, each with its own features. Time horizon. Saving is usually for short-term goals, like buying a new phone or having money for emergencies. Investing is more for the long run, like saving for retirement, where you're willing to wait for your money to grow over many years. Risk factors. Savings are generally safer because the money is stored in places like banks that protect it. Investing can be riskier because the value of what you invest in can go up or down. But with higher risk comes the potential for higher rewards. Return on investment. When you save, your money grows slowly with interest. However, investing offers the potential for higher returns over time, but it's not guaranteed. Impact on financial goals. Saving is good for short-term goals and emergencies, while investing can help achieve bigger financial goals, like buying a house or funding education. Understanding these differences helps in making informed decisions about managing your money effectively, balancing the need for safety with the potential for growth. 4. When to save and when to invest. Knowing when to save or invest depends on your financial goals and how soon you'll need the money. Short-term financial goals. Saving is best for short-term needs, like saving for a vacation or buying a new gadget soon. It's safer and ensures the money is readily available when required. For short-term goals, the stability of savings accounts is a good choice. Long-term financial goals. Investing works well for long-term goals, such as saving for retirement or buying a house in the far-off future. Since there's more time, you can handle the ups and downs that might happen with investments. Over time, investments have the potential to grow more compared to savings accounts, helping you reach larger financial objectives. Emergency funds. Having savings specifically for emergencies is crucial. It ensures you have quick access to money if unexpected expenses pop up, like medical bills or sudden home repairs. Emergency funds should be easily accessible, so keeping them in a savings account is a wise move. Balancing saving and investing. A smart approach involves balancing both saving and investing. You can allocate some money for short-term needs, savings, while investing in things that grow your money for the future, investments. Finding the right balance helps you meet immediate needs while securing your financial future. 5. Factors influencing decision-making. Several factors play a role in deciding between saving and investing, helping you make choices that match your comfort level and financial situation. Personal risk tolerance. Your comfort with taking risks shapes your decision. If you prefer safety and don't want to take chances with your money, saving might be more suitable. However, if you're okay with some ups and downs to potentially grow your money, investing could be a good fit. Financial situation and goals. Your current financial status and what you want to achieve greatly impact your choice. If you have urgent needs or short-term goals, saving might be the priority. On the other hand, if you're thinking about long-term goals like retirement or wealth accumulation, investing might be more beneficial. Market conditions. The state of the economy and market fluctuations also influence your decision. Sometimes, when the economy is uncertain, people tend to save more to ensure they have money available. In more stable economic times, they might feel more confident about investing. Understanding these factors helps in making wise financial choices. By evaluating your willingness to take risks, your financial objectives, and a current economic situation, you can decide whether saving or investing aligns better with your goals and needs. Adjusting your approach based on these factors ensures a balanced and well-thought-out financial plan. 6. Strategies for optimal financial health. Creating a solid financial plan involves various strategies that help manage money effectively, combining both saving and investing for a healthier financial future. Creating a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. A budget helps you understand where your money goes and allows you to allocate funds for savings and investments systematically. Emergency funds and savings goals. Set aside money specifically for emergencies and short-term goals. Aim to save a certain amount regularly to build these funds, ensuring you have a safety net for unexpected situations. Diversification in investments. Instead of putting all your money in one place, diversify your investments. Spread your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. This way, if one investment doesn't do well, others might balance it out. Seeking professional advice. Consider consulting a financial advisor or planner. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals, helping you make informed decisions about saving and investing. By following these strategies, you can build a strong financial foundation. Both play essential roles in managing money wisely and securing a better future. It's important to recognize that each serves a purpose based on your goals and time frames. Short-term goals find support in savings, while investing is better suited for long-term objectives. Remember, it's not about choosing between saving or investing, but rather understanding how both can work together to strengthen your financial health. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful financial content.